Hi everyone, this is Meeta. If you're looking to track multiple businesses together, I've got the perfect spreadsheet for you. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. This spreadsheet is great to have if you have multiple businesses. It will give you a consolidated overview of how all of your businesses are performing and also show you how each business is performing. There are 6 businesses included and one of them can even be set up as a holding company. It also automatically generates an income statement and balance sheet, which are great to hand to an investor or to your bank. The spreadsheet is very easy to use. Each entity has its own tab for income and expenses and for its settings. The settings are already pre-filled and all you need to do is simply go in and change the names of the categories if you wish. For example, let us go into entity 1 and we are going into the income transactions tab. Simply enter your income transaction. Say for example, it's July 30. You have income from income source 2 of 1500 and that's all you need to enter. You can enter the sales tax if you have one and it will calculate that for you. If you go to the dashboard for entity 1, you will see the amount of 1500 listed out here under income source 2 and all the income and expenses for July. It will give you the overview up here and the breakdown by income categories, expense categories down here below. Let's enter another transaction. This time it will be, say, for August 1st. Let's choose another income source like income source 3 and say we make $700 from that and have a 5% tax rate. Again, you'll notice in the dashboard, income source 3, $700 in August, which also shows up over here in your monthly summary in August and in your year-to-date total income. Next, let's go to the expenses tab and enter a transaction over there. Again, let's choose August and we'll choose an expense like, say, advertising, and let's say we spent $100 in advertising. You'll see this expense shows up in your dashboard. In August, your total expenses were $100. It will show up in your category, operating expense category, as $100. So as you can see, entity 1 has its own dashboard which gives you a bird's eye view of how the business is performing on a monthly basis and a year-to-date basis. You also get a breakdown by income categories, expense categories. You get to see the gross profit, the net profit after operating expenses. In addition to the dashboard, there is also an income statement or a profit and loss statement that is automatically generated, and this is great to have for end of the year when you want to file your taxes. You can hand to your CPA or keep for your own records. There's also a balance sheet template where you can enter your asset and liability amounts, any owner investment, and it will automatically calculate several ratios for you. Now, just like business entity 1, each of the other businesses also have their own settings sheet, their own dashboard, their own income and expense transaction tabs. So it's very easy for you to maintain your business records. All of the businesses can be completely different from each other. One business can be a photography business, another a salon, a third can be one that sells products online. Say for example, entity 2 sells products online. You can have your income sources as your website, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, etc. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also reach me through my website moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.